Well, everybody knows being in a car accident, very stressful in any situation, but what if it happens while you're working? In this week's Know the Law segment, attorney Tom Sinas is here to talk about what you should do in those cases and your rights to compensation when you're at work.
So when a car accident, when someone is working, is sometimes the most complicated kind of car accident case you can have, because you have as many as three or four different claims that can result from just that one accident. So what's the first one? The first claim is the workers' compensation claim. And that's the claim that most anybody is entitled to if they are injured on the job. You don't have to prove that your employer did anything wrong. There is no consideration of fault when it comes to a workers' compensation
It's just you've been injured on the job and then you get the benefit.
That's right. The second claim that you have comes from the fact that you are in a car, and that's your claim for auto no-fault benefits. And these include your lifetime medical care, up to 3 years lost wages, household chores. Again, you don't have to prove anybody was at fault. That's why they're called no-fault benefits. This first claim and the second claim, the workers' compensation claim and the no-fault claim, are completely interrelated. And it's a very complicated reason as to why, but the short answer is this. The no-fault insurance company is allowed to subtract whatever it owes you in no-fault benefits by whatever you can get from your workers' compensation carrier. Okay? So these two claims constantly are interrelated throughout the life of the claim. And so if you have a workers' compensation claim and you have a no-fault claim, it's important to make sure, because the benefits that are paid under each claim are different, it's important to make sure that as you're interrelating the two claims, you're getting what you're owed in total.
Right.
Okay, the third claim. The third claim is a liability claim, and this does matter who's at fault.
Right.
Suppose you're at work, you're driving a car, and you're struck by someone else who ran a red light. Well, you may have a claim, a third claim, a liability claim against the person who struck you. And that, again, is going to be different than your workers' comp claim. It's going to be different than your no-fault claim. However, the workers' compensation carrier may have or may claim that it has what's called a lien, an ability to ask for repayment out of your liability claim. So now you have three claims, and all three claims have an interrelationship.
Gotcha.
And it can be very difficult to figure out what insurance company you're dealing with on each claim, who owes you what, and if there are any special rules like liens that would apply in your case. And so it's a very difficult set of circumstances to proceed on your own. And if you're going to go that way, boy, you really want to make sure that you understand how all three of these claims interrelate, because it's sort of a trap for the unwary, even for people who practice this kind of law every day.
And if somebody has a question about an accident they've been in, they can always give your office a call.
Sure. 616-301-3333, online at sinasdramis.com, or shoot us an email at info@sinasdramis.com.
Tom, thanks for stopping by.
Thanks, Christian.